and welcome to English with Shivkanya. Today we are going to see the difference between these three confusing words. This is adapt, adept and adopt. We need to understand the pronunciation, the difference in pronunciations, their spellings and meanings. This is adapt. Is there, adapt. The meaning is to adjust. For example, if you adapt yourselves to your changing environment, you will survive. Adapt. Again, this is a verb. Second is adept. A is there, adept. Adept means skilled. It is an adjective. In one of my videos, I have given the difference between skilled and skillful. You can check it. We'll give you the link of the video in the I button and in the description box. Please check it. This is an adjective. For example, he is an adept carpenter. Means he is a skilled carpenter. The third word is adopt. The sound O comes in here. Adopt. This is a verb. It means to take up, particularly a baby or a child. For example, they were childless, so they decided to adopt a child. Once again, this is adapt. A is there. This is adept. A is there. And this is adopt. O is there. Let's see the spellings. Here A is there. Here E and here O. A, E and O. These three different letters make all the difference. You are going to use all these three words in your own sentences and write them in the comment section so that I can check whether you have understood the meaning correctly or not. For more English lessons, just follow me. If you find this lesson informative, please share it with your friends. Also, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notifications of all my new lessons. Thank you for your love, time and support. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing. Learn English with Shivkanya. Thank you.